Welcome to our fun and exciting animal quiz challenge. Get ready to explore the amazing world of animals with us. So put on your thinking caps, grab your favorite snack, and let's dive into the wild. Who knows, you might discover your new favorite animal along the way. Are you ready? Let's get started. Hey children, do you know which animal is known as the king of the jungle?
Okay, children, this is the correct answer. Answer B, lion. The lion is the king of the jungle. Okay, children, this is our next question. Question number 2. So do you know which animal can imitate human voices?
Yep, answer C, parrot. This is the answer for that question. Parrot is one of the bird can imitate the human voice.
Hey children, do you know the one secret thing which animal has a pouch in its stomach?
Now you know the secret answer. It is answer B, kangaroo. That's the animal who has a pouch in its stomach.
Okay, kids, shall we go to our next question? Who is the we call as Tintin? Answer A. Elephant? Answer B. Squirrel? Answer C. Giraffe? Answer D. Panda.
The answer is answer B, squirrel. Squirrel is a very innocent animal in the jungle. Many people call him Tintin.
Okay, my children, our last question is, which animal is the biggest animal in the jungle? Answer is elephant. Do you know, kid? He has a tall leg, tall nose. I think now you know the biggest animal in the jungle.
Tom, can you guys join with us? We are Boom Kiddy YouTube channel. Please subscribe our channel.